Hello everyone, I am Jiya Jadhav. Welcome back to Jiya ki Pathshala. And today I am going to show you how to use Morph transition in PowerPoint. So in the transitions option, you can see there's a Morph transition. This is a very useful transition which you can use to make amazing presentations in PowerPoint. So let us learn how to use it. First we will take a new slide. You can take it as blank, and then we will go in insert 3D models, stock 3D models. So here we will search a particular 3D model. Suppose I am searching for the earth. Here there are various 3D models of the earth. I will select this one, insert. And now as you can see, a 3D model of the earth is on the screen. So we will increase its size. The speciality about 3D models is you can turn them or view them from any other side, any of the sides. Okay, so this is the speciality of 3D models. This helps us in creating various types of presentations or give special effects to our objects on PowerPoint. So I have to show that the earth is rotating around itself. How will I do this? Click on this second slide over here, and then we will click on the options on our keyboard, Control plus D. So I have clicked on Control plus D, and here you can see that the same slide has been copied. So the second slide is also the same and the third slide is also the same. So on the third slide, I will give the changes which I want to give. I will make this earth rotate around itself. Okay. And now I will go in transitions and give morph transition. So as you can see here, the earth, it looks like the earth is rotating around itself. So this was fast. So to make it slow, you can increase the duration. I will increase it till 5, and now you can see how our presentation has come. So it appears as the earth is slowly rotating around itself. This was the first thing. Now the second thing also I am going to show you that suppose I will take a 3D model of a ball. So here I will search for a ball. So you can take any 3D model. I will take this one. So on white screen it is not nearly visible. So I will change the color of the screen. And now this is a ball over here. So I want to show that this ball is going up and coming down. So same way what we will do, we will select the slide again, Control plus D, and then the same ball is over here. So we will make it go up, and then we will take another same slide, Control plus D, and again let us take it down. And to this slides we will apply morph transitions morph. So let us see our presentation. So this was our presentation. This is the way you can use morph transitions to make your presentations more attractive and give special effects to the objects. Thank you.